This is Motorola Moto E6s, and today we would like to demonstrate that you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So first and foremost, connect your smartphone to the Wi-Fi, then launch the Google Play Store app, sign in if needed, then at the search bar you have to type in Opera. Once the needed app is found, click on this green install button and wait for the Opera browser to get downloaded and installed respectively. Alrighty, now we can go ahead and launch the application here. Here choose whether you would like to set Opera as your default browser app. You can skip this step. And finally you can either customize the permissions that will be granted to Opera, or simply allow everything that it asks for and start using the app. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.